I've learned a lot of things since I started traveling and making videos. And one of those things is that geographical location of a place is very important. I mean, why would you want to visit Marbella or Estepona without thinking about Nerja first? But if you ask any traveler that have never been to the south of Spain about Nerja, they'll probably tell you it's a place in the Philippines or in Taiwan. I mean, go to places like Bilbao, Madrid or Barcelona and ask a random person about Nerja. They're still probably going to tell you what's that. But just a mention of Marbella in the midst of English or Irish people, you'll get all the travel tips that you need without paying a dime. These are two beautiful towns in the southern coast of Spain, and if you ask me personally, I would say Nerja is more beautiful. Marbella is also beautiful, but full of luxuries. I mean, on the street of Marbella, you can easily spot expensive cars, expensive hotels and restaurants, very expensive estates, and you can easily spot a superstar on the street. But Nerja is the opposite. Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, what I do is I travel, I make beautiful videos of places, and I share them with you with information, just in case you might need them. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button and leave in the comment section what you think about this video. It is safe to say Nerja is underrated, because if you talk about beauty and nature, I give it to Nerja 100%. But most people tend to choose Marbella over Nerja because I think it's close to two major international airports and it's very easy to connect. The bus service from Malaga Airport to Marbella is super excellent, and so is the one from Gibraltar to Marbella. I made a video about how you can travel from Malaga Airport to Marbella just in case you need it. Check on my playlist. On the other hand, connecting to Nerja is not as easy as connecting to Marbella, especially the surrounding towns like Frigilana and Maro. These are also amazing places to visit, and I asked myself, why is the government not making enough provision for people to see these places? Going to Frigilana and Maro from Nerja using a bus is nothing less than 15 to 20 minutes, but sometimes you can wait for 3 hours waiting for this bus to arrive. I think this is a deliberate action from the government and the locals, looking at the issue of over-tourism all around Europe lately. Recently, I visited Marbella and Nerja. And if it happens someone asked me they want to sponsor my trip and where will I love to visit, and the only option I'm left with is Marbella and Nerja, I will surely choose Nerja over Marbella. I surely love to visit Marbella again because it's an amazing place, but I love peace, I love genuine peace, nature and tranquility, and all these you can find them in Nerja. Would you love to visit Nerja again? Please leave in the comment section what you think, and if you've been to Nerja and Marbella, which of these two beautiful towns would you love to visit again? Also leave that in the comment section. I think I need to stop talking because now I feel like I'm distracting you from enjoying the beautiful views of this town. But if you also enjoy my comments and my convincing argument about this town, please give this video a like. Also remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet, as I bring you more exciting, beautiful videos.